Today we show you how to do a flocking with a VD100 static flocking equipment. Here in the ground of the flocking table we have our flocking unit VD100, and as told in the video before, we have adjusted the high voltage on 55 kV and the microampere we do not change normally is 150 microampere. You see at the switch, at the green light of the on switch, the machine is on power, and actually here we have no electrostatic. If we start the electrostatic by the sensor switch, you see it's getting red, and it lights some seconds after losing the contact. That's the rest energy which is on the line. Here, as mentioned before, we have the contact here to start. We hold it that way, and we only touch the middle of the switch. It's only a touch panel to start the process. The flocking applicator on the VD100 is more comfortable. It's more bigger. We have here in the bottom we have the electrode for the high voltage in the bottom, and we have here a kind of bayonet lock to close very easy, so we put it in and turn it only some degree and it's ready, and it cannot go out. And so you can easily change bigger size. As mentioned before, we have three sizes for this flocking applicator. Flock now today again a 33.1 DDEX, 33 DDEX 1 millimeter in red. Always close the back, don't leave it all open to avoid flock getting dry. We take some flock in the applicator. So I recommend for less use, fill it maximum half. The maximum in the filling is 3/4. So between half and 3/4 is okay. In filling, it's necessary that the flock can move in the applicator. Then we close with a sieve, we close the applicator, and similar as for the Mini Pro, it's the same. If we turn the cubes, some flock is getting out, some falls out. If I shake, it's coming only without electrostatic. But if we start the switch, we have to see the activity. That's important. That's the electrostatic process which should work. Now we have a sample paper. So that's a paper which is coated with an adhesive in screen printing process. And now we do the flocking. Start behind the substrate, not over the substrates, start behind the process, take the switch and then go to the printed area. Do one process. You see in the darkness that the density that it is good flocked. Then we knock some loose flocks out and do the step a second time. Start again behind and go over the flocked area. For the first process, normally we have a distance between 20 and 30 centimeters. And if we do the second step, we can go nearer, about 5 to 10 centimeters. In the end, shake loose flock If everything is clean, you can reuse this flock, it's no problem. Even if it is dried or is mixed with other fibers or dirty, you cannot reuse it. And so now that is ready, you can dry it in the oven, depending on the adhesive. You can also air dry it. And the last step would then be a cleaning that you suck off with a sucking machine the rest fibers from the sheet. And then everything is ready and hopefully a good flocked area.